Are you someone who's looking for an all-in-one solution to fit your music needs, your alarm clock needs, or to even develop as a wireless charger for your smartphone? So look no further. This is the iBall Musihome Pro, and today we are going to talk about the same. So guys, let's first start with the unboxing for the iBall Musihome Pro. Inside the box, the first thing that you will find is the iBall Musihome Pro itself. It's quite lightweight despite the bulky and sturdy looks that it does have. And the first thing that you will notice is that it comes with a unique quirky design where the front is slightly slanted at a different angle in order to facilitate time viewing when it's by your bedside. Talking further about what's inside the box, you get the charging cable for the iBall Musihome Pro. You also get the documentation and warranty card for this one. One of the better things about the accessory choices is the fact that you get a micro USB cable on the inside and you also get a USB Type-C cable on the inside. So cable connectivity option is all covered. Now let's talk further about the build and design for the iBall Musihome Pro. You will notice that it comes with a very nice mesh on top which covers this whole wireless charging area and also the speaker module for this one. If I talk about the button options at the top, it has the clock button, the volume plus minus button, the play button and the mode button. On pressing the mode button, you can shift between FM radio and Bluetooth modes, and that comes in really handy. If you look closely at the back, you get two USB ports, one power button, there's a micro SD card slot along with the DC 5 volt micro USB port for charging it, and you also get the aux port for this one. One of the better things about this product is the fact that it also doubles up as a wireless charger. You just keep your Qi wireless charging supporting smartphone on top of this one and it would light up and start charging. The iBall Musihome Pro is a very different, unique product in a way that it doubles up as a wireless charger, as a bedside alarm clock, and it also is a Bluetooth speaker which also has FM radio. The LED display on this one is elegant, and if you are going to look at it in very dimly lit conditions, it won't hurt your eyes. Using the display here, you can easily check the ambient temperature of your surroundings, and you can also look at the time just in one quick glance. It has a digital alarm clock, and if I talk about connectivity options, you get Bluetooth, micro SD support, there's also aux support, and it also supports FM radio. So who is this product for? The iBall Musihome Pro is a great product for somebody who is looking for a wireless solution which can charge their smartphones, which can provide them with wireless audio, and which can also develop as a temperature checker and an alarm clock, all at the same time. So guys, where can you get the iBall Musihome Pro? It's available on Amazon.in. So guys, this was Aitan Ajha from InspiredWise.com signing off, and as always, thanks for watching.